on! How much ESs do I have right now? Literally.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for
Special marine warning.
Fire Island Inlet, New York, out 20 nautical miles.
Again?
North Harbor until 12:15 p.m. At 11:16 a.m., a strong thunderstorm was located.
By the way, sorry
nautical
for our
miles
cameras
southwest
too
of
long.
Island Park, moving northwest at 45 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar indicated. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 p.m. for northeastern New Jersey and southeastern New York. Move to safe harbor until the hazardous weather passes. For the following counties in New Jersey, Sussex and Warren.
Although there's no EAS here, couldn't this just work? But don't worry, in 5, 6, 7, in like 3 days, there will be the national periodic test. Probably, yeah.